Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make yuzu madeleine. Yuzu citrus is in season right now. So today I'm going to add fresh yuzu flavor to a simple madeleine. You need to rest the dough for a while, but other than that, it's very quick and easy to make. Let's get started. These are what you need to make 24 madeleines. 120 gram butter, 120 gram all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons honey, 60 gram sugar, 4 gram baking powder, and 1 yuzu citrus. 2 eggs into the bowl. $60 grams sugar, and mix it well. Add honey, and keep mixing. In here, I'm adding melted butter, so let's microwave this. I did 1 minute at 600 watt. Before you add it to the bowl, let's butter the mold using this melted butter so that you don't have to melt the butter separately, just to butter the mold. The mold is ready, so let's just set it aside. Remaining butter into the bowl. Mix it well. Sift flour and baking powder into the bowl. Using spatula, fold it in until everything is well mixed. Nice and smooth. Now let's add the yuzu zest. I'm using the zest only. You can use the juice to make ponzu sauce. I put the link here. Mix it well. And the dough is ready. Let's put it in the pastry bag and rest it in the fridge at least 2 hours. Prepare pastry bag and binder clip. Fold up here and put the binder clip. Put the pastry bag in the measuring cup or tall glass. And let's put the dough. Push the air out, fold the opening down and close it with another binder clip. Let's put this in the fridge and rest for 2 hours. It's been chilled for more than 2 hours, so let's put it in the mold. Remove the binder clip, squeeze it down and put it in the mold. Okay, let's bake them. I baked them for 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Let's take them out from the mold. Cool them down with this bump side facing down on the rack. And yuzu madeleine madeleine is ready to go. I'm supposed to wait until it's cooled down, but how can I resist? Let's try one. It's so light, airy and buttery, and the flavor of yuzu citrus is very refreshing. Yum! That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!